Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to add logo in your settings of your custom module in Odoo 19. In today's lecture, we will be studying how to change or to edit your custom Many2one field display name. What I mean to say is when you go to here in the person's view, open any of the records, and here you can see this books field. It is a Many2one field, and when I click on add online, here you can see I can see only the books. Now what if I want to add another thing along with the book name? For example, let's say I want to add the reference number as well along with the book name. So how do we implement such functionality in Odoo 19? Let's see. It is a very simple thing we need to do is to use compute display name function, which is a built-in function for the Odoo, which will provide us this functionality. Let's see in the code. First, go to the code. Here you can see it is our books ID is a Many2one field. Now it is from the library.books model, right? So what we will do, we will go to the library books, and here at the end we will create or we will use the function def as underscore compute display name. Remember, it is a built-in function, so the name should be the same as here. And here let's iterate over a self for rec in self. After iterating, what we will do, we will here you can see in the books there is a reference number. We will simply add this reference number along with the book name. So in order to do that, first we need to create a condition. If there is, what is the name of the reference number field? Here you can see it is a book ref. If there is rec dot book ref, if that field is there, then what we need to do, we need to rec dot display underscore name. Remember, this particular variable should be display underscore name only. You cannot change this. It is a built-in keyword for the Odoo. What we will do, if there is a reference for the particular book, we will add in the display. Simply I'll add rec dot our name followed by the book reference, rec dot book underscore ref. Else what we will do, else we will simply set the display name is equals to rec name. Simple. What I have done, I have iterate over the self, then added the condition. If there is any book reference, then what will be the display name? Display name should be the name followed by the reference. Else you can simply keep it as name. Also remember, this variable is compulsory. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server. After restarting the server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading module, library management, go to the person, open the record, and if I click here, you can see already display name is changed from the book name followed by the ID of that ID, or I mean book reference followed by the book name. If I click on add online, you can see the name display name is changed, which is here is our book name and here is our book reference. So with the help of this function, you can apply Many2one field display as per your requirement. You can use this type of functionality in here as well. Here you can see there is a Many2one field of res.partner. You can use this as well in here. What you will need to do is inherit this particular model res.partner and use the compute display name field, which is a built-in function of the Odoo. So let me summarize today's topic. In order to change the Many2one display name field, all you need to do is go to the code. Remember, in your main model, not where you have set the Many2one field, but you have to set in the main model. For example, here the Many2one field is in this model, but we need to add that function in the main primary model, which is library.books. And here what I have done, I have simply added the built-in function. Remember, the built-in function should be same name as here, underscore compute underscore display underscore name. Then I have simply added the iterate over it loop, then added a condition followed by this variable. Remember, this variable is also a keyword for the Odoo, otherwise it won't work. In the display name, I have added name followed by the reference. Else you can simply put as name. I hope this topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.